Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So this is going to be a quick assembly video of the OTG Elite electric bike by Jetson. So be sure and like and subscribe afterwards. Let's get to it. So setting up your new Jetson electric bike, first thing you want to do, looks like you want to fix your handlebars because they come unfolded. You want to put them in the upright position. Oh, there it goes. And it clicked right in. Okay. Next, we want to attach the seat. So we remove the plastic cover or shipping cover. Pull open the latch on the seat clamp, which is already open. Locate the minimum insertion mark. Minimum insertion mark. So right there. Until the minimum insertion mark is below the clamp. Okay. Which is right there, okay? While holding the seat at the desired height, close the latch on the clamp. Okay, pretty straightforward. So you may have to adjust this because it's really super loose. Let me go ahead and take this out and adjust it a little bit. So you can adjust this because this one is really loose. It's not tightening down at all. So you can finger adjust it or you can use your multi-tool and adjust it. So now it's actually starting to grab a little bit. Your seat has little gauges on it. So basically as long as it's past that bottom gauge, then you're probably going to be okay. Insert your seat. Make sure it's grabbing the bar. Make sure your seat's straight. This is for my daughter, so I'm going to lower it a little bit more. Make sure it's not going to turn super easy. You're probably okay. Seat's installed. Alright, so attaching the pedals. So you open up the pedals. Apparently the pedals are marked with an R for right, L for left, so that's pretty straightforward. You put the spindle on the pedal, you just spin them on. Your right pedal's on, rinse and repeat. Gonna do the left pedal now. Same process, but you guys can actually see this one hopefully. Threads aren't reversed, I really thought they would be on these. Finger tighten them on. It's just quicker than using your wrench for the whole process. Snug it down with your handy multi-tool that they include in your purchase. It's not going anywhere. Pedals are on. Next it says loosen but do not remove the screw on the bell clamp by turning it counterclockwise 1 to 2 rotations with Phillips head screwdriver. Like I said, this is quite the multi-tool they included. Loosen the old, oh, it's already loose. That sucker's as loose as they get, so I didn't even have to loosen that. Okay, so they just want you to loosen the bell, rotate it so you can reach it if you're the rider. So, and this is the actual button to sound the bell, so you got to be able to still steer and sound the bell. So I'm guessing something like that. Okay, so we'll put it there, we'll tighten up the screw, call it good. So they want the front bell and the front reflector both rotated, obviously facing forward, and they want them kind of centered right in the handlebar, just like so, and then you want to tighten the clamp on each of these guys so that they don't rotate while riding. So just use your Phillips head screwdriver included, rotate these guys out, tighten them up a little bit so that they don't rotate while you're riding. You know what, I would just grab a regular Phillips screwdriver. They're multi-tool. I mean, it's cool that they include it because this thing is kind of cheesy. And if you don't want to take an extra 10 minutes dealing with the cheese, Just grab a good Phillips head screwdriver before you start this project. I mean, it gets the job done, but why bother if you don't have to? Okay, there it is. Reflector, horn, or whatever this thing is, beeper, and there you go. Okay, now that you got your horn and your reflector installed, it's basically saying just make sure that your seat's adjusted for the right height for your rider, make sure your tires are inflated, that your brakes work, and you're all checked out and you're ready to go riding. So overall, if you look, this instruction manual is very well put together. It wasn't put together by some first year student from China, so this is ready to go. Here's a quick look at the assembled product. Ready to ride. So next, I'm going to get this electric bike all charged up. We'll do a review video on it at some point. Also, be sure and like and subscribe. I hope this video is really helpful. Check out these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.